Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You already made a Memoji in Messages, so start by opening Instagram and creating a story right away. Tap the plus or swipe right to enter story mode. Make sure the front camera is active. Once done, position your face and frame the shot. You'll need good lighting for the Memoji to track. Next, pause on the camera screen and locate the sticker icon at the top. Make sure camera permissions are granted so Instagram can use your device sensors and facial tracking. Tap the sticker icon, then scroll to find the Memoji or emoji sticker options. Choose the Memoji you want. Once placed, drag to position and pinch to resize. This lets you align it with your face or scene. If you want the Memoji to mirror your expressions, record video instead of a photo. It'll animate as you move. Also, you can add multiple Memojis or combine with text and GIF. Make adjustments until the placement and animation look natural. Finish by adding text, filters, or music to enhance the story, then tap Share to post or send to close friends. If you prefer, save the story to your camera roll first so you can repost later. Make sure to preview the final clip for alignment and audio. If the Memoji lags or won't animate, restart Instagram, switch cameras once, or check for iOS and app updates. Connectivity and background apps can interfere with facial tracking, so close unused apps before retrying.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.